How to use live transcribe and sound notification. My name is Shahid and welcome to my channel. So guys, today we will be talking about a very useful application which you already have in your phone, or if you don't have it, you just go to your Play Store or App Store, and then you can simply download that application typing live transcribe and sound notification. It's a Google application. So today I'm going to give you a short tutorial about this application which will be very useful. So watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So if you already have it or you install it from the Play Store, just click on open. So when you click on more setting here, from here, it's also the first option is text size. So you can actually select the size you want to see. So this is how you can select the size of the text. So guys, the next thing is the dark theme. As you can see, you can turn off the dark theme here and you will get the light theme. So basically you can switch the app theme here. So then there is like a language selection. So you select the primary language first. So as I selected English, but there are many options that you can select. So you can select the language you want to be your primary language, or the language you want to transcribe, of like the speaker is saying something and in different languages. So you can select that language from the list, and then that will be your primary language, and then you can select a secondary language. So it's like in the shortcut, you don't have to come again and again and select all the languages. You just click on it, as you can see in the beginning, just tap and the language will be changed from the initial page. You don't have to come to the setting page again and again. So after selecting both language, you can even add some custom words which are not in the dictionary. So there are some custom words nowadays. People use short phrases and short words, so that one you can add, and when the application will hear it, it can transcribe it. So guys, the next option is the saving option. If you want to save your transcription automatically, you can turn on this option and then it will save your transcription automatically. Okay, so then there is another thing, that delete history. So if you want to delete the history, you can just click on the delete option and the history will be deleted. So in the events option, as you can see below there, vibrate when name is spoken. So here you can actually add some names, and if you have a hearing disability, for those people it's very good, because if they cannot hear and suppose they're sitting in a classroom and somebody, the teacher or somebody else, call their name, so when the application will hear the name, it will vibrate, so you will know that somebody call you. So this is a very good feature in this application, which I like the most. The next option is the phone will vibrate when speech resumes after pause. So when you allow this option, so whenever the speech or the speaker take a pause, and after pause, whenever the speech resumes, the phone will vibrate to allow you to know that the speech has resumed. If you have hearing problem, for people who have hearing problem, this is the best thing, that they will know that the speech has been resumed again. So guys, all in all, this is the best application for the people who have hearing problem. This application can help them a lot. And another thing, that if you are in a place like in a foreign country where you cannot understand what the speaker is saying, so you can just transcribe it and then you can copy and paste it some other translation application, so you will get the translation as well. So this will help you as well. So guys, I hope this is a useful video for you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative video. Please stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.